Student, I want to teach you class 9 subject math chapter 4 linear equations in two variables. In the last session I already discussed. So today our topic is solutions of linear equation. Okay. So we know that every linear equation in one variable has unique solution. Okay, so those linear equation has a one variable, that is unique solution means only one solution. Now we will check the solutions of linear equations in two variables. X and y is the form of x plus by plus c is equal to 0. In the last session, the general formula I already taught and I already explained. So now any pair of values of x and y which satisfy the given linear equation is called the solutions of the linear equation. This is the definitions of the linear equations in two variables. Okay, student. So suppose now you want to find out the answer, how will be 0 will become. So suppose the value of a and b putting, and then simplify, 0 is coming, it means satisfied the equation. Okay, now linear equations in two variables has infinitely many solutions. This is main point. Okay, so those linear equation in two variable, they have so many solution. Okay, now let us consider the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, student. So this is linear equations in two variables. Why? Because here x and y are variables. Can you say, student, what is the coefficient of x here? 2. It means a. Here this is 2 represents a. What is the coefficient of y? Here is 3. The 3 means this is b. Okay. So according to general formula we have to compare like this. Here b, and 12 is a constant. Okay. Now which value we have to put here? We get the 12. So now when you substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, then we have to get the answer LHS, RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. Okay. Then we can write 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now what is the value of x? We have taken 3. So here put 3. What is the value of y? Here we have to take in 2. So here put the 2. So 3 2 ja 6, 6. 3 2 ja 6, 6. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So now here 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So 12 equal to 12. It means the value of x and y are satisfied the given equation. Now if we put the value of here 3 and here 2, and after simplify we will be get the answer 12. It means the LHS equal to RHS. 12 equal to 12. LHS equal to RHS. This solution is written as ordered pair. Okay, student. So ordered pair means 3 and 2. So 3 means this is the x. 2 means this is the value of y. Okay, and you know that 3 means x and x is the abscissa, and 2 stands for y means this is the ordinate. So first writing the value for x and the value of y you will write second. So keep it in mind here, whenever you are writing as a pair, so first of all we will be write the value of x, then 2. Okay, now if we put the value of x equal to 2, so just opposite, here x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So are there solutions of the given equations? No, because here put 2. Okay, so x equal to 2, so 2 2 ja 4, y equal to 3 you are putting, suppose. So here 3 3 ja 9, so 9 plus 4. Okay, what is coming answer student? So 9 plus 4 means 9, 13. Okay, and 13 is not equal to 12. Okay, so LHS is not equal to 12. It means 2 and 3 are not the solutions of the given equation. Similarly, we can take more equation, we can find out the solutions of the given equation on the basis of this one. I will give you homework in the next session after teaching the examples on the basis of exercise. I hope you have to understood my lecture.